Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the Lazy River Vet Regional vlog. So we're about halfway there. Got the truck, fifth wheel, and we're running low on gas. We pull off the interstate, get some gas, and we found a Wendy's right here close to the gas station with plenty of parking. And of course the dine-in's closed, and it's just like, we can't go through the drive-thru. It's just another kick in the face of how ridiculous all this is. With the COVID stuff, because I ate at a Wendy's yesterday in West Virginia that the dining was open on, and you know, now we're at a Wendy's in Kentucky that the dining room's closed on. It's just infuriating. So but we're just gonna make some sandwiches here at the camper. One other thing I want to show you guys, if you're like me and you have a vehicle that's a little older and doesn't have a power plug, you only have the cigarette lighter, the 12 volt. Sung Life sent me this really cool power inverter. So obviously it plugs into your 12 volt and you get two ACs and you get a 3 amp and two 2.4 amp USBs. So shout out to Sung Life. I'm gonna put a link to this down below. I've used it the whole way here. Super convenient. And then look, check that out. You also have another 12 volt out, so pretty cool. It's worked great. Kept my phone 100% on the way here, so I'm gonna put a link to that in the description. Support Sun Life for supporting the channel. Let's go see if my sandwich is ready. What are you doing?
Coming down.
Coming down? You stretching your legs? Let me help you. Let me help you.
Should you put the chips down?
No, we don't need to put the steps down because we're not going in and out. We're just going to make some sandwiches and hit the road. Now you're trying to go back in?
Yes.
So you want a sandwich and you want some chips?
Sure.
Your destination is on the left.
Alright guys, when we have arrived, we got here about 2 hours after the gates open, and honestly, it's the closest parking I've ever got here at Lazy River. The parking's laid out a little differently here. The track is back here, and there's one field up in front of the track, and then all the rest of the parking are in like football field size fields, you know, parallel to this one where you can't see the track. So I've never been this close before, so it's a good sign that this being a vet only regional, which they just started last year, that it may not be super packed and it may be a chill weekend. We might get out of here early. So we got a good spot. It's grassy. Just got to do some pretty extreme leveling up on the front to get us level front to back, but we get started unloading and setting up camp now. All right guys, it is hot and I'm sweaty, but we got everything set up. Got the bikes over here under the AOMC canopy. Got the TCX Boots canopy over here, RIP to MTA. And Krista wants the propane on. We are about to make some tacos. Hopefully there's no wasps in here. Never remember greens on that side, so open it up right here and we should be good. Yeah, we're a little bit downhill, but we had enough wood blocks with us. We were able to get leveled up here. Guys, AOMC MX for all your motorcycle needs. If you don't know, we just added Suzuki, Yamaha, and CF Moto to the website. That's OEM parts. So now you can get OEM parts for KTM, Husqvarna, Gas, Husaberg, Beta, Sherco, CF Moto, Suzuki, and Yamaha, and probably even more to come at some point. So shop there, use coupon code MXGuru. We appreciate it a lot. This guy's being a little terror. Are you being a terror? Huh?
No.
Hey, can you say, hey, YouTube fam?
Yeah.
Can you say, hey, YouTube fam?
Say hey.
Hey, can you tell them to smash the like button?
Let's press the like button.
There we go.
That might have been the cutest thing ever.
So tacos going on here. Supposed to be rain. It was supposed to be a 70% chance of rain today and tomorrow, which is Thursday and Friday, and then it's supposed to be beautiful for Saturday and Sunday. Kind of bums me out a little bit because tomorrow's practice day, and practice day is the most important day for me. I get the most good videos, and you know, I haven't rode this track since 2014, so I'd really like to get some seat time in, but it is what it is. We'll see what happens. You ready to eat? No. We're gonna go over here in a second and get signed up and check out the track. Brian, this is for you, buddy. Taco in a bag and tacos. What flavor are you gonna get? Strawberry.
Say what you want.
I want a strawberry.
A small strawberry. And a small pina colada. And a small pie.
Okay.
Yesterday we could be ourselves. Didn't have much, but nevertheless, we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not